Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to be talking about small block Chevys and the difference in starters. So if you ever gotten a pile of Chevy parts and you rifle through all the starters and you happen to find one that looks like this and another one that looks like this, and you're saying, oh, there we go, saying to yourself, golly, why is there two different starters? Here's the reason. If you have the starter that is set apart, you have a 14-inch 168 tooth ring gear. If you have the other, like this Beefcake 5000, you have the smaller of the two, 12 3/4, 153 tooth flywheel or ring gear, depending on if you're automatic or manual, obviously. So when you want to go and change stuff around and you need different options or combinations, or you're changing transmissions like I'm doing on this project here, you need to know this so that you don't put the wrong starter or wrong flywheel in with whatever you're going to be doing. So this one happens to be going into a 76 Ford, although it looks like 78, and we needed to commit blasphemy and figure out how to make it all work, which led to finding this in my spare parts pile. So that's prompted all this research and finding out that it's actually really easy to differentiate between the two starters. And all you need to know is, like I said, that's for the big one, that's for the small one. Apparently that's end of story, so can tell me wrong, but that's what I learned. And if it's really that easy, by golly, you'll just sail right along in your project. So keep that in mind the next time you're tearing apart an old Chevrolet, or you're going through your uncle's junk pile and you find 5 different starters that have 2 different bolt patterns. That's why. So, till next time. Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about... What are we going to talk about? Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about ring gears, starters, and small block Chevrolets. Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about ring gears, starters, and small block Chevrolets. So, what we have here is your typical small block Chevrolet, and what I have discovered is that there are 2 different ring gears and 2 different starters, and it is very specific as to which gets paired with which. So, you have the 12 3/4, 153 tooth flywheel flex plate, and that will be matched whether it is a flex plate or a, drawing a blank, what is it? Flywheel. There we go, I said it already, but flex plate, flywheel, flex plate, flywheel. And that is going to be paired with the big old chunk starter. Oh man, this is a bomb.